here of you can just see the member of the angiosperm, that is the flowering plant, the plant which is going to have the flowers here in this hibiscus plant or in this plant of you can say that गुड़हल के फूल में you can just see all the structure, और in गुड़हल के plant में you can see all the structure of the angiosperms. Let us see what are these structures representing here. First of all, the very best feature about that angiospermic member is their leaves. In this, two kinds of plants are found. One is the you can say dicotyledonous, while other one is the monocotyledonous. You all must be having the idea about what is dicotyledonous and what is monocotyledonous. In monocot, this kind of leaves are found. All of you can just see. I think it is clearly visible to all of you. In which parallel venation is there. Parallel venation means straight veins are found in this. All of you can just see here. Straight veins are found there. So these straight veins are representing parallel venation, and these are the indication of monocot plants. While in dicot plant, all of you can just see this reticulate venation. Venation means ये जो आपको veins दिख रही है ना बीच में, these are known as veins, venation. These venations are just like that web of a spider. जैसे spider का web होता है वैसे ही appear हो रही हैं. All of you can just see. This is called reticulate venation. इस तरह की venation आपको कहाँ पे मिलेगा? It would be found in the dicot plant. While parallel venation, the same kind of venation you can see in the leaves of sugarcane also. So these are representing monocot plant. In dicot plant, I have just told you, you can see the flowers structure clearly. In monocot also flowers are found, but their structure depends upon the size of the flower. Here in angiosperm, the basic feature is there. This flowers, which is the visible reproductive organ, as it is kept in phanerogams. It is the flowering plant, and soon after the fertilization, one of the part of the flower, which is ovary, it modifies into fruit, and what happens? Seed formation occurs inside this plant. What are the typical parts of the flower? Let us discuss that. What are the different parts of the flower? One thing you all have to keep in mind, that these parts of the flower are asked in your board exam class 12th also. So it is not only the content of class 11th, but it is the content of your class 12th also. Clearly just understand it. Its practical related to it is also there in your class 12th. So you must be knowing its part in your class 11th only. Like this here stalk you can see, through which this flower is attached to the main plant. This stalk is called pedicel. Here all of you can just see these structures. As it is the first structure, this is called as a calyx. इसको हम calyx बोल रहे हैं. और ये these are the green colored structure. These are called as a apicalyx. इसको हम apicalyx बोलते हैं. Now what is the function of apicalyx? Let us see. When the flower is in bud condition, at that time this calyx helps in the process of protection of the that growing petals and internal other parts of the flower. जो उसके अंदर के parts उसको ये protect कर रहा है. You can see I am just pressing it, I am just pushing it, but no damage is occurring to this bud. Apart from that, it is green in color, so it is also helping in the process of photosynthesis, and it is helping in providing nutrition easily to the that flower, this growing flower bud. The next part in this flower is this colored structure. You can see this colored structure are representing petal. इनको हम petal बोलते हैं. Like here I have just told you it is called calyx. Other name for calyx is sepal also. The same way these are called as a colored structure. These are called as a petals, and other name for this petal is corolla. C-O-R-O-L-L-A. Corolla is the another name. Now here you can see at the center. I'm not going to damage this flower, but you can just see it if it is visible to you. If it's not visible, then during practical I'll show you. This stalk is representing the female part. At the base आप देखोगे तो एक swollen structure आपको दिखेगा. Then this swollen structure is called as a ovary. यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा होगा. And जिससे ऊपर stalk आती है ये long, this is called as a style. इसको हम style बोलते हैं. Then after that, इसकी ये जो at the center, all of you can just see this. I'm just trying to focus that. At the center, you can see this pink colored 5 structure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are representing the stigma. Here you can see 5 stigma. Depends upon flower. It can be 5 to 1 or many. These are the stigma which are the landing platform for the pollen grains. Then in this style you can see the strands are attached. These are representing male part. In several flowers these male part are not attached to it, while in other flowers like this hibiscus it could be attached to the female structure. Yeah, style पे attached है ये. Now we can see here this, what do this is called. ये जो आपको छोटी सी stalk दिख रही है जिससे ये येलो कलर्ड स्ट्रक्चर अटैच्ड है, दिस इज कॉल्ड फिलामेंट. और ये जो आपको येलो कलर के पोर्शन दिख रहे हैं स्टार्टिंग पे, दीज आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग एंथर. एंथर है ये. और एंथर से जो आपको येलो कलर का ये पाउडरी स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है, प्रॉबेबली इट वुड बी विजिबल टू यू. दिस येलो कलर विद पाउडरी स्ट्रक्चर, इट इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द पोलन ग्रेन्स. ये क्या रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है आपका? पोलन ग्रेन रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. ऑल ऑफ यू कैन जस्ट सी. सो इट इज इन प्रेजेंट इन द विसिनिटी ऑफ दिस stigma, so it can easily transfer the pollen grain to the surface of stigma. As I guess it would be clear to you all that many of the pollen grain are landed on the surface of stigma. I'm just focusing one of the stigma. All of you can just see that pollen grain has landed over the surface of stigma. This is there. This whole female reproductive part is called as a pistil बोलते हैं इसको. और another name for it is gynoecium. इसको हम गायनोशियम बोल देंगे. और यू कैन से द थर्ड नेम इज फॉर इट इज कार्पल. इसका 3 नाम हो जाएगा, कार्पल, पिस्टिल और दैट गायनोशियम. वाइल द मेल पार्ट इज कॉल्ड एज अ होल स्ट्रक्चर इज कॉल्ड एज अ स्टेमेन. इसको हम स्टेमेन बोल देंगे. और इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ, यू कैन से स्टेमेन के बजाय इसके दूसरा जो साइंटिफिक नेम है दैट इज द एंड्रोशियम. सो नाउ यू हैव जस्ट स्टडीड द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द टिपिकल एंजियोस्पर्म.